Today, we're not just brushing up on oral hygiene, we're exploring some fantastic ways to use toothpaste around the house. That's right, your everyday toothpaste can do much more than keep your smile sparkling. Let's dive into these clever hacks. Cleaning jewelry. Toothpaste is mildly abrasive, which makes it perfect for all sorts of cleaning tasks. Let's start with something shiny, your jewelry. Got some tarnished rings or cloudy gemstones? Just put a small dab of toothpaste on an old toothbrush and gently scrub your jewelry. The paste helps clear up tarnish and brings back the sparkle without harsh chemicals. Rinse it off under warm water and voila! It's like your jewelry just stepped out of a professional cleaning. Defogging glasses and mirrors. Next up, let's tackle those foggy mirrors and goggles. Whether you're a swimmer or just tired of stepping out of the shower to a fogged up mirror, toothpaste can help. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste to the surface, then wipe it off with a clean, dry cloth. This leaves behind a film that prevents fogging, giving you a clear view next time you steam up the room. Removing scuff marks. And here's a quick fix for scuffs on shoes and even floors. Just dab a bit of toothpaste on the scuff, rub it in with a soft cloth, and then wipe it clean. This works especially well on leather and vinyl. It's like an eraser for those annoying little marks that seem to appear out of nowhere. Polish chrome fixtures. Next, let's shift our focus to something that can really shine, your chrome fixtures. Over time, faucets, handles, and even chrome appliances can lose their luster and gather fingerprints and water spots. But guess what? Toothpaste can bring back that shine in no time. Just dab some toothpaste onto a soft, damp cloth and gently rub it onto the chrome. The mild abrasives in the toothpaste work wonders on metal surfaces without scratching them. Give it a good buff, rinse with water, and then dry it off with a clean cloth. You'll be amazed at how the chrome sparkles like new. It's a quick, easy, and inexpensive way to keep your fixtures looking fabulous. Treating minor burns. Moving on to a little first aid tip, treating minor burns. We've all had those little mishaps in the kitchen or while ironing. If you find yourself with a minor burn, toothpaste can help soothe the pain. First, make sure to run the burn under cool water to reduce the temperature of the skin. Then, if you don't have a burn cream handy, you can apply a small amount of toothpaste to the area. Its cooling properties can help alleviate the burning sensation and prevent blisters. Please remember, this is only for minor burns. For anything more serious, or if the skin is broken, seek medical attention instead of using home remedies. There you have it. A few more surprising uses for toothpaste that go beyond its call of dental duty. Whether you're polishing chrome, treating a minor burn, or just cleaning around the house, toothpaste proves to be a handy companion. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these tips helpful, why not give them a try? Subscribe to our channel to discover empowering and cost-effective home and health wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Also, share your experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more practical tips. As always, please be well, be wise, and take care. See you in the next video.